today we have another shooting candy with Nerf guns, but without candy. Oh boy. Today we will be firing, or at least trying to fire different objects. Today I'm gonna try to do something a little different. Let's try shooting a mega dart out of a hand pistol, or like one of those, you know, whatchamacallits, out of an elite blaster. So I'm just gonna load it for you. This is the blaster. Pretty simple. It's just you know, just a regular thing. And now we put in a mega dart. You'll see what I mean. Like this, you know. So we'll see what happens. Firing. In 3, 2, 1. Oh! So that worked. I'll show you a replay. Alright, pretty cool replay. I mean, I'm just saying, because I edit my videos.